Come to be, come to be, come to be, come to be, come. Come to be, 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 come. Come to be, come. Come to be, 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 come to be,
Pas de justice, pas de paix,
come to be, come to be,
pas de
come to
justice,
be, come to be, come to be,
pas de
come.
paix. Geen vrede, geen gerechtigheid, geen vrede. No justice, geen gerechtigheid, geen vrede. No justice, no peace, geen vrede. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. George Floyd, Maouda Chaouri, Adil Charo, Mehdi Bouda, Lamine Bangoura, Dieu merci, Kanda, Souleymane Jamili, Semira Adam, Wassim et Sabrina, Folefak Ebenezer, Awale Hedi, Mitchell Winter, Mitch Enrique, Wensley Udenaut, Tony McDade, Nina Pop, Adama Traoré, Zineb Redouane, Eunice, George Floyd, Maouda Chaouri, Adil Charo, Mehdi Bouda, Lamine Bangoura, Dieu merci, Kanda, Souleymane Jamili, Semira Adam, Wassim et Sabrina, Folefak Ebenezer, Awale Hedi, Mitchell Winter, Mitch Enrique, Wensley Udenaut, Tony McDade, Nina Pop, Adama Traoré, Zineb Redouane, killed. Geen gerechtigheid, geen vrede. Geen gerechtigheid, geen vrede. Geen gerechtigheid, geen vrede. Pas de justice. Geen gerechtigheid, pas de paix, geen vrede. Pas de justice.
When they ask you suspiciously
Cast.
why you walk
Lie.
like a boy, like a ghetto boy,
Side.
I wasn't there, but I heard. When they call you a tomboy, a gangster, a nigger, I wasn't there, but I heard. When they call you a dirty dyke, a dirty black, I wasn't there, but I heard.
Creature.
When they pretended not to understand your unhappiness, not to hear your sobs,
Swallow the weight.
not to see your puffy eyes,
In quiet.
I was not there, but I saw everything. When they were tolerant, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When they kept silence in the face of your distress, I wasn't there, but I heard everything.
I was speaking just to clean that woman in a bone woman ladder, just speaking to a bone in that clean woman whisper. That woman I was just speaking to, she climbed a bone ladder in clean skin. She has in her veins massive coming out. Naked turning in equals 2, blank in 2 equals catalogue. Blood. Moments. Catalogue life moments in order to an infinity of category until a library of bodies unread. Did you want to touch? On the other side of the make, the victims extend their wound and ripple slowly up for surface listening, drinking knack wine. We are drinking knack wine, sitting in dead armchairs until hallucinations subside. Transform the naked wine to form the naked wine to fire. For the wild form, the transform the naked, the naked, transform the naked wine to transform the naked wine to transform wine to the form the naked wild, transform the naked wild. Transform the wine to naked wine to form the naked. Transform the naked wine to form the wild form, the naked form, the wild form, the transform the naked wine to wild. Transform the naked wine. Naked to transform the naked wine to wild garlic. While we close our eyes and type, wearing white gloves. Type. Hang, cast, line, side. Can we show our hands? Creature. Retreat. Now, swallow the waiting in quiet.
Yeah, life gets hard, but it's all how you live it. What you get from it, what you put in it.
When they shouted all their hatred at you, I wasn't there, but I covered my ears. When they threw you out, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When they pretended to love people like you, because of course you are different, right? Not like those others. And then laughed behind your back. I wasn't there, but I felt the weight on your shoulder. When they didn't want someone like you as a teacher, sport partner, babysitter, or colleague, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When they called you a pervert, a rapist, a dirty black, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When they spat at you and insulted you in the broad daylight without anyone reacting, I wasn't there, but I felt the shame.
See, I fight the good fight. That's how I stay alive. Keep mind and eyes on the prize. Pussy and thighs closed to players and soft suckers and all those pseudo motherfuckers who come in every color. So I'll watch my back and you watch yours, cause I'm looking at your front door. So get ready when you see me coming, cause I'm not running. Get ready when you see me coming, cause I'm not running. Get ready when you see me coming, cause I'm not running. Get ready when you see me coming, cause I'm not running. Systems trying to trip me and rape me, make me tongue their grapes of wrath. Hell hath no fury like the night. So I'll eat their fruit, swallow it whole, so it comes out in my shit as black gold. Maybe you can.
Yeah, but it's not all. Yeah, we actually, we
See, I'm deep like the roots. Life of a tree or the group, it's no matter. Insane nigga like Mad Hatter. And you're the queen of hearts and your wonderland's about to shatter at my hands. I'm in command of my destiny and victory tastes sweet. Complete my circle with your end and then I'll start again. See, my demise relies on God's time and your reasons have no rhyme. So get ready when you see me coming, cause I'm not running. So you know what? I think you better run.
You. I wasn't there, but I was with you. When you looked up and worked hard to defend your right, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When you formed collectives with others like you, I was not there, but I was with you. When you worked to the point of exhaustion to stop the violence, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When you fill out files and records until the end of the night, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When you knocked in vain at doors of offices, ministries, and foundations, I was not there, but I was with you. When the migration officer asks you to prove that you are in danger, that you are a lesbian, that you are a refugee, I wasn't there, but I was with you.
Of castrated black dicks and read the non-violent thoughts of Gandhi, and I watch him relax by playing golf with Boy Wilkins bars with painted rustic glue to his thing, while C-Rock's copies of Martin Luther King are popping from his skull to dream the impossible dream. Knock, knock, who's there? It's Red Brown, and if you'll open up, I'll strike a light and burn your house down. And I see Malcolm's spirit, his eyes burning red, black, and green flames, and crying tears of Thunderbird wine that seem to touch my lips and make me become thirsty for a taste of freedom. Freedom by any means necessary. It's necessary to have freedom by any means necessary. And I begin to hate with love and love with hate. This is madness. This is madness. This is madness. And I look up and see the moon bleeding lifeless white maggots and screaming for my help as the ego's raping claws rip and tear at its virginal form. All ECs, all tooth Moses, all Sunra, Allah, Bismillah, your undying strength to rise up and reorder the cosmos so that man can truly understand and appreciate the cosmic beauties and realities of science and love. And he has turned the feminine part of me into a sexual freak. Look at her standing there wearing a micro miniskirt made from the strands of Freud's mother's pubic hairs and an uncovered breast dripping blood and pus and her lips colored with that anesthetic white woman called Avon. But yet she smiles at me with the indignity of overcoming ejaculating sperm into her mind. And Maurice McWallace mentioned the finger fucking her at night in his red dreams, and her soft, wet, drinking tears of love seem to flood my heart with strength to gather all my manhood from my lower head and to put it back into my upper head, and then to put her back on her pedestal as my love queen and not my sex queen. And I hear my mother's voice rustling in the wind, reminding me of the many times he tried to rape her of her blackness, but she, with the strength of a panther, the swiftness of a cheetah, and the cunning of a lioness, would not be caged up with the other lies that kept me from being totally free. And when she came home at night, I could smell the musty closeness of his body and see his translucent fingerprints on a tired, weary physical structure, depressed from warding off his beastly attacks. But she would smile the smile of 1,000 black orchids at me, not realizing all the while that the anger of 100 symbols was residing in my soul. And doing all this time, my father was somewhere drowning his mutant plastic-minded self in a bottle of cheap wine and letting that spiritual catalyst, John Coltrane, pay celestial homage to that white god who was riding his main vein. This is madness! This is madness! This is madness! And dinosaurs, how can you be supreme and sing songs of black love when your mouth is overrunning with the sperm of Trigger? And William Siren is going to commit suicide when he finds out that Nat Turner made love to his great-great-grandmother, and he has taken our most violent and militant leaders and took lollipops up their ass to pacify their black power fuzz. And he is beginning to assume that all of us were born under the sign Taurus the Bull, because all we do is bullshit. This is madness. This is madness. All this madness is madness. This madness is madness. All this madness is madness. This madness must stop. Stop all this madness. Please stop all this madness. Please stop all this madness. Please stop all this madness. Stop.
When you had to act as if the remarks about Jews, Arabs, and black didn't offend you in order to integrate, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When you cried in anger, loneliness, and rage, I wasn't there, but I was with you. When they hit you, raped you, killed you, I wasn't there, but I heard the sound of the beatings on the body being mistreated. So now the question that bothers me is, where are you when you are not there? How is it still possible today, when we have heard, seen, felt shame, pain, and sadness, when we say we understand, when we empathize, when you talked about it? How is it still possible today, in Europe, in Belgium, in Brussels, for people to suffer racism, violence, because they are black, because they are different?
L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. Faudrait-il encaisser encore les coups? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. On m'a demandé d'oublier les années de saigner, le mépris planifié à tour de bras renouvelé, les carnages organisés, les mises en charpie autorisées, les songes et espérances liées balafrées. On m'a demandé d'oublier ces rayons de gloire qu'a pu tarder une nation à nous expédiant au charbon. Des années après, l'industrie te perfore les poumons, sinon pas déjà tâté les balles au front. En première ligne, tir à canon. On m'a demandé d'oublier les noyades occultées d'une dignité, sa mémoire, les chapes de plomb, les écrans noirs plaqués sur toute l'étendue des brûlures d'une histoire, et le prix des soulèvements, les trop pleins de martyrs étouffés fait de lourds silences au lendemain de pogroms en plein Paris, de rafles à la benne. Et ce 17 octobre 61 qui croupit au fond de la Seine, on m'a demandé d'oublier.
L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il encaisser encore les coups? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Perce et laisse des trous.
On m'a demandé d'oublier les traînements dans la boue, les doigts pointés d'une seule voix, les réquisitoires incendiaires, les mises en scène de fièvre, d'accusation, la salive aux lèvres, puis les vomis sur de l'opinion. On m'a demandé d'oublier ces complets de boucs émissaires taillés sur mesure, les trains des froides et sèches nous voilà achetés en pâture, à l'hystérie d'un troupeau bercé trop près du mur. On m'a demandé d'oublier la crasse de cervelle au détour de plus d'un de leurs discours, où le bruit et l'odeur émanent en vapeur de nos races moribondes, où Maria ne peut recueillir toute la misère du monde. Quand sa main droite affame le sud, elle assiste à creuser sa propre tombe. On m'a demandé d'oublier les prises télévisées, les charters et autres cercueils volants convoyés, les gages filés aux idées du parti d'un borgne en sueur, les intérêts trouvés à laisser chier ses clameurs, les intérêts trouvés à laisser chier ses clameurs.
L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
On m'a demandé d'oublier les chasses ouvertes, aux nègres et bougnoules offertes, aux treillis verts kaki de para crachant le feu, les appels à la mort lancés, finis-le, allez achève-le. On m'a demandé d'oublier les fracas de ces voltigeurs et ces balles policières en plein cœur, puis le sursis accordé à la volaille criminelle en habit. Ailleurs mes frères écopent de peines alourdies, et oui, les trafics crépusculaires ne profitent jamais aux petits. Un orteil dans l'extrême et c'est toute la jambe qui suit. Morfle si tu viens t'y mettre, il pleut à verse des lambeaux d'infamie sur nos êtres. On m'a demandé d'oublier les années de saigner, le mépris planifié à tour de bras renouvelés, les carnages organisés, les mises en charpie autorisées, les songes et espérances liées balafrées. On m'a demandé d'oublier.
L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il encaisser encore les coups? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous. L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Faudrait-il garder la mémoire à genoux? L'infamie perce et laisse des trous.
Perce et laisse des trous.
Writing to someone else's music, I predict my own. It opens between notes. It licks, it likes the sound. In a cell. The piano next door. Everyone flees. In a derelict momentum, we travel across bridges. A serpent and another empty house. The belongings reveal, they reveal a body working in spite of itself. A fake sun on leaves. How did we leave these flakes of ourselves so visible? So visible. Look at him run. He is sweat, thigh, dust, cries. Look at his eyes. Cry, their found look. His eyes look found. In his tears, his running. about your music? The streets fall behind and what are you doing? Why are you here? What's that noise? I'm walking towards you. I've been here since yesterday. Will you photograph me naked? This is my perfect. Will you watch me forever? My perfect kindness. Have me. You looked different yesterday. This is my shiver on a repeating dream, playing on the grand piano while the disintegration surrounds. All the tears touch each other. They like to be touched. Ah-ooh-ooh-ee-ah-ee. Ah-ooh-ooh-ee-at-I. Mouth and want E-ah-ooh-ah standing. So E still that ow no. I know. No one. Taking too long, looking, what do you think about this bit? This is someone else's disease. Shared, she, he, here, descend, end. Look at the dust. Look how smooth the mark is left. I think this is like whispering to friends who listen tight. The sounds at night.
Now black, poor, or college bred, it's behavior modification or you end up dead. All here, all here, all here, all here. Last night before, poverty pimps cried black and poor. Now selling their souls across the nation, living in high-rise isolation, making obsolete 2-cent deals, being lubricating grease for the system's wheels. In the name of class, they sell their race and cut off their nose to spite their face. In their high-heeled shoes, they're claiming class, while damning the folks still in the grass and hollering, party time, party time, party time. Last night before, the silent majority blamed the dark, the poor. They blamed the schools, they blamed the slums, they blamed the lazy welfare bums. Last night before, the fearful ran to tyranny's door. Now tyranny reigns through the suburb and slums, because everybody goes when the wagon comes. Oh, here, oh, here. Night before, 24 policemen at the door. People got up, let them in, ended up dead in the cooling bin. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, here, oh, here. It's tomorrow's time. It's time for yesterday. has no value, no price. But we pay, we pay. Time has no value, no price, but we pay. Come and get me in the morning. Come to get you in the nights. When they come to get us people, don't talk about no Bill of Rights. Oh, they're on the top step, standing outside your door. Can't you hear them coming, calling? You don't live here anymore. The king is at the ball game, the people in a cage. The Constitution's buried, the jester in a protective reaction rage. Scared the press and TV stations, you can't see what they do. Ain't to be no fussing when they come for you. Radio is programmed, been told what to say.
D'amour, de justice et d'illusion. Je ne sais pas trop quel vent souffle sur nos braises militantes, mais c'est chaud. Tout le monde en parle. Il n'y a que ce mot à la bouche, partout, tout le temps. Un peu comme s'il fallait le répéter en boucle, en mantra pour conjurer le sort et calmer la tempête qui arrive. Sauf qu'il est trop tard. Nous sommes les gouttelettes qui annoncent la pluie. On le connaît par cœur, le refrain sur la fraternité et l'autre sur l'égalité au moment où ça pète. On nous ressort vite fait le disque du « tous frères ». Et quand ça commence à s'agiter, alors bon, c'est trop tard. On parlera d'amour demain. Les Noirs sont des êtres humains. Ouais, étonnamment. Ça peut sembler surprenant de devoir rappeler un truc aussi banal. Je comprends le trouble. Après tout, on nous tue comme des chiens. Et même les chiens, on les endort avant. Mais bon, passons. Sauf que ça passe pas. Ça ne passe plus.
Niggas don't know how to act. What is this? This ain't hip-hop. This ain't punk rock. You ain't punk rock. You ain't hip-hop. What is this? What style of music do you play? What kind of music do you play? What do you call your music? What genre is this? How do you mix all these genres together? Why do you mix all these genres together? How do you do that? Yeah, I see. It's kind of like gospel punk, soul rock, doom soul. What is this fusion? Yeah, it's more like confusion. I like the punk, I don't like the soul. I like the soul, I don't really like the punk. It's soulful, but why do you have to make it ugly? You don't even know what your sound is. Nigga, you don't know how to act. Oh, these niggas don't know how to act. Where you from? No, where are you really from? No, where are you really from in Africa? Now, you look like your ancestors might have come from Mali. You know, I spent a summer there once. Yeah, you look like them. No, that's not your real voice, is it? Is that your real voice? Why do you talk like that? You don't really dress like that. Nah, you don't really talk like a black guy. I mean, you're black, but you ain't really black. You don't really act black, nigga. Yeah, you're more a Negro than a nigga. Yeah, you're pretty cool for a nigga, but you ain't really a nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know that Chris Rock sketch where he says that there's a difference between black people and niggas? Yeah, why can't I say it? Why are you allowed to say it, but we can't say it? Fuck you, nigga. You don't really know how to act. Oh, you niggas don't really know how to act. How does it feel to be a black man making white music? A middle-aged black man observing young white people shout the N-word to rap songs. A 35-year-old black man observing young white people shout the N-word to rap songs. The bombastic, but to the point of kitsch, even though the issues at hand are a matter of life and death. Never mentioning the name of victims of racially motivated violence. The effect is weirdly impersonal, so over the top it's political melodrama. Fuck your experience, nigga. You ain't from the hood, you ain't got gold in your mouth. Nigga, you ain't never been in jail, you're too old and too inauthentic. Fuck young, gifted, and black, nigga, you don't know how to act. Oh, you niggas don't know how to act. I love what you do, but I wish you would just get off of the identity politics and start talking about structural politics. You know who you remind me of? You remind me of TV on the radio. You remind me of Fishbone. You remind me of Gary Clark Jr. You remind me of Bad Brains. You remind me of Living Color. You remind me of Lenny Kravitz. You know who you look like? You look like Lawrence Fishburne. You look like Usher. You look like Forrest Whitaker. You look like Paul George. You look like Denzel Washington. You look like that cat from 24. What? I'm just trying to be nice. Fuck you, nigga. All you niggas don't know how to act. Oh, you niggas don't know how to act. Oh, you know, I love black girls. I fucked a black girl once, you know. I got black friends too. You know, one of my best friends was a nigga when I was growing up and used to play basketball together, and he could jump and run so fast because he had an extra muscle. Did you know that? Y'all got an extra muscle in your leg. You got it from when you was running from the slave masters. Oh, but you niggas still don't know how to act. Oh, you niggas don't know how to act. You know what black music is, right? Yeah, I love old school hip hop. You know, does it bother you when white people dance to your music at shows? Did you used to be a preacher? Oh, you're from Atlanta. I love trap music. That's the home of trap music. You know what that is, right? Oh, but you know Bob Dylan created rap. Oh, you know CeeLo Green? Oh, yo, you niggas don't know how to act. I love Supreme. That got 10 out of 10. You know, Michael Jackson Thriller got best new nigga, but y'all still don't know how to act. Oh, you niggas don't really know how to act. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. They gave him drink and take away the water. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. They tattoo his face with quaint obscenities. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. They hack off his tongue ceremoniously with all institutional pomp and circumstance. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. They tie him to be quartered to the 4 major pillars of validation. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. They decorate him in gold. Get back to where you once belonged, they sing. Exhausted in the briars, he sighs a resigned contortion. They seize it at birth and bottle it for voyeuristic observation and anthropological instruction. They put it on display in natural history museums, pornographic textbooks, designer-dragged window displays, conspiracy websites. Dance like a monkey, chatter like an ape. Put on the jacket and the full face. Everyone will apply. They cling around this way until he hits the ground. Then they finally give the thumbs down.
Il faut le crier très fort pour se faire entendre. Crier. Crier depuis le fond des cellules libyennes, depuis le fond de la Méditerranée, depuis le fond de l'histoire, depuis le fond des banlieues. Les Noirs sont des êtres humains. C'est vrai, il n'en a pas toujours été ainsi. Avant, nous étions des bêtes, animaux apathiques, pas très travailleurs, un peu durs d'oreilles et il fallait lacérer nos dos de coups de chicotte, couper quelques mains pour que ça avance. Le progrès n'attend pas. En Europe. Avant, il était convenu que nous n'étions pourvus d'aucun sentiment, au point que le massacre de quelques-uns des proches, quelques-uns de nos proches, ne provoquerait qu'un vague mouvement de nos sourcils broussailleux. En guise de quoi d'ailleurs? Quelques-uns de nos proches, c'est 10 millions. 10 millions de morts plus tard, centre millimétré et la balle atterrit entre les mains de l'État belge. Centre millimétré et la balle atterrit entre les mains de l'État belge.
A long ways from a home, a long Sometimes I feel like I'm almost gone. Sometimes I feel like I'm almost gone. Sometimes I feel like I'm almost gone. A long ways from a home. A long ways from a home. True believer, true believer, a long ways from a home, a long ways from a home. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish-eye jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. You're gonna spread your wings and take to the sky. But till that morning comes, there ain't nothing gonna harm you. With daddy and mommy standing by.
Nous sommes en 1908. L'État indépendant du Congo, Jardin privé du roi des Belges devient le Congo belge, propriété de la Belgique. On prend les mêmes et on recommence ? Le Congo est une patate chaude, mais qui vaut tout de même son pesant d'or, de cobalt, d'uranium et même de cuivre. Le cuivre de l'union minière du Haut-Katanga, matière exportée et utilisée pour certaines statues de Léopold II. On en rirait presque, n'est-ce pas ? On en rirait presque si les débats sur les monuments coloniaux et ce qu'ils disent du racisme d'État ne se transformaient pas en discussion sur le patrimoine. On en rirait presque si on ne tentait pas de passer sous silence les questions des violences policières et des morts qu'elles provoquent en Belgique. On en rirait presque s'il n'y avait pas des hommes et des femmes, s'il n'y avait pas nos proches et des noms. Say their name. Dieu merci Kanda, Maouda Chauri, Adil Charo, Mehdi Bouddha, Lamine Bangoura.
Ola besi banka, ola besi mumbele, ola besi ngalieme, ola besi serebao, ola besi lengpala. Bebanga balisi bulam Yibate mangantie Nse yisi banka Nando mwanto Abiber gitaru tawe Muli jamona Batare abama Bula biyo abiyu Kuna golisa monche ibando Yibate Bate bangantie Ateba yini kiba lisilo Ula bunyar kosa yini ndendo wa Kuna kali bila manche Kiba lisilo bebanka Itosa lisali biu ya buwembando Ibula kebi tani bakima Eli bankari ya vili kiema bala Kiba lisilo bebanka Itosa lisali biu ya buwembando Ibula kebi tani bakima Eli bankari ya vili kiema bala Mando manura mwana moro kuleyo ya buwe Ibanka buna kolisa Ibalisi la bula Bula busobi Bibate kuna kolili bebanka bali ilu bulaba Bali ya buwenche kapuna kweye Kuna kolisa bandole sili ya banka botu bayini Bali sila bo mwantu bakwe ya buwe Mando yompara mpare mwanche Mondo Mwana karame Mwana karame Mwana karame Ula besile mbala Ula bubibi singali yeme Ula besi ngalieme Ula besi serebao Ula besi limbala Bebanka balisi bulam Yibate mangantie Ateba yini, kiba lisi salibiu ya buwembando Ibula kebi kalba kima Heli bankari ya vili kima bala Mbando manura mwana moro kuleyo ya buwe Ibanka buna kolisa Ibalisi la bula Bula busobi Bebate kuna kolili bebanka bali ilu bulaba Bali ya buenche kabuna kweye Buna kolisa bandole sili banka botu bayini Bali sila bo mwantu bakwe ya buwe mando yomparampare manche Mbando Mwana tarame Ula desile mbala Ula bu bibi singal yeme
On en rirait presque si 60 ans plus tard, on ne nous imposait pas 1h30 de débat télévisé, langue de bois et bons sentiments à coups de « il faut, il faudrait, on devrait ». Mais puisqu'on vous dit qu'on connaît la chanson, dans 9 jours, la République démocratique du Congo, la RDC, célébrera son indépendance vis-à-vis de la Belgique. 60 ans et on nous bassine à coups de nostalgie fétide, d'évocations douteuses sur les liens invisibles et inévitables entre nos deux pays, sur leurs relations de haine et d'amour. L'amour, encore ? Si parler d'amour et d'entente à tout va, c'est convenir que les Noirs sont coupables au point que leur voix ne peut être entendue, que les Noirs sont coupables au point que leur vie est condamnée à finir toujours en traces de sang qui creusent le bitume. Si parler d'amour, c'est nous dire que nous devons continuer à sourire et accueillir chaque insulte comme une aubaine parce qu'enfin on nous parle, ressentir chaque coup comme une caresse car enfin on nous touche, et aimer la souffrance comme on aime la rumba, la mwamba, la bière et le chocolat, c'est que vous n'avez pas compris. Désormais, il ne sera plus jamais question de paix tant que nous n'obtiendrons pas justice, plus question de prendre la tangente et d'ignorer l'orage qui gronde en sourdine. La paix est une illusion en Belgique. La paix est une illusion en Belgique. La paix est une illusion en Belgique. Que dire de l'amour alors ?
Parce que l'homme n'avait pas prévu, voulu ou pu, connu ou su. Parce que l'homme a trop attendu, ou peut-être tout bonnement, parce qu'il l'a parfaitement voulu et eu. Si tant est que c'est l'homme qui veut. La logique du porisme, c'est l'écorchure qui s'infecte et le microbe qui se délecte quand se rengorge le furoncle. C'est la fissure qui rigole et la rigole qui se fend la gueule. C'est la chaussure qui prend l'eau, c'est la peinture qui s'écaille. La moisissure prend ses ailes. La logique du pourrissement, c'est la chemise qui se fait la malle, la redingote qui est en crise d'avoir été par trop portée, souillée, lavée et empesée. Et la couture n'en peut plus, la triserie de la reprise. Un petit point de chaîne à droite, un petit point de croix à gauche, un petit point arrière devant, un petit point devant derrière. La logique du pourrissement. C'est la centrale qui pisse la mort et la rivière qui a mal au froid. C'est la crevette qui rend l'âme et l'arbre à pain qui a le groove. C'est l'autre coco en berlingot, c'est pour bientôt je vous le dis. C'est la corde de la mère Igname qui étrangle la mère Igname mère.
La logique du pourrissement, c'est quand débarquent les macros avec leurs mines de sex shop. On vend du sable au marché blanc pour pose en mal de mélanine. Et quand nos plages font le trottoir sous leur licence de maison close, nos enfants nus ne peuvent plus leur faire l'amour au grand soleil. La logique du pourrissement, ce sont les arbres qui s'emmurent dans une névrose de béton, les oiseaux glissent à la dérive, les flics engraissent leurs papillons, les PV jouent aux feuilles mortes, les voitures valsent à la pelle, la fourrière rêve de cimetière, la chaussée souffre de corps aux pieds, la ville a mal aux entournures.
La logique du pourrissement, c'est le bébé qu'on s'est payé dans la boutique du père Crédit. Il fait la loi dans la maison, il fait caca ou qu'on lui chante, même dans le crâne des petits. On ne se parle plus quand il jacasse, on ne s'entend plus quand on se parle. Avec sa tête rectangulaire, c'est le portrait de son papa. Il a la bouche en sucre d'orge, il fait risette et c'est tout rose. Il a les yeux bardés de guerre et injectés d'apocalypse. Il passe pourtant de temps en temps un oiseau bleu en son iris. La logique du pourrissement, c'est quand s'encombre le sinus de la conserve en a ras-le-bol. Le fer blanc gonfle puis se mouche et les décombres qui s'amoncellent ont des dégaines de gratte-ciel. Tel un grand rire au bord d'un gouffre, un matouba d'éclat de gorge. Et comme un corps blessé, le rire s'élance en vol plané et fouille une gueule de volcan pour assouvir sa démesure. La logique du pourrissement, c'est un destin que l'on marchande dans un pays qui marche à l'os. Une terre du sud qui perd son or, un champ d'amour qu'on hypothèque. Ce sont deux sœurs qui se déchirent dans un asile à ciel ouvert. L'espoir trimballe au bout de poisse. La lune rumine ses angoisses, les mots ont l'éléphantiasis. La rhétorique traîne la jambe et la psy se fait son beurre quand les neurones se font de la bile. On vend de la foi à tour de bras et les gourous ont le bras long. On brade la joie à coups de banque, on paie des gangs pour tuer le temps dans les agences de Nirvana. Le Père Noël s'informatise et la culture se macoutise. Les jeunes chevauchent dans leur ghetto le paradis de la défonce. Le diable solde ses miroirs, Faval refuse de mourir et la folie pétrit ses joues tandis qu'elle siffle un air de cendre. C'est dans le swing de cette logique qu'un soir de mercredi décembre justement, un chien chauve travaillant du chapeau au milieu d'un macadam vague, près d'un amas d'âmes paumées et de dépouilles de sacs volés, me confia qu'il avait conçu entre deux ulcères d'estomac la prodigieuse problématique de la tactique du pourrissement, la logistique du pourrissement, la dialectique du pourrissement, la statistique du pourrissement, la balistique du pourrissement. Et dès l'école maternelle, l'instruction civique du pourrissement, toute une éthique du pourrissement, une poétique du pourrissement. Celle d'une fleur inconnue, ou presque, sidéralement transparente, aux confins de l'absurde, éclose